Yeah, this is what happens when you forget to turn your camera on and get paddling away from the dock. You have to find a place where you can park your kayak safely and not fall on your head and turn your camera on. As I paddle through these timeless mangroves where water's embrace has sheltered life for millennia, I can't help but think of how the Calusa people once wove their history from mounds of shells while sculpting canals, and a testament to their deep connection to the harbor. The sea's bounty, a gift of fish, sustaining them, not offering just food, but tools and art. Even now, the whisper of their past echoes through the entangled roots as water remains a vibrant source of life. The area traded fishing for life or fishing for sport. This place has earned a modern crown as tarpon capital of the world. For years, the Calusa people dug canals for fishing. They would set net traps on the slack tide, and then when fish would come back through on the outgoing tide, they'd be caught in the nets. The water itself seems alive with secrets. Watch closely and you'll witness the flying mullet, several flashes of energy leaping from the surface, trying to touch the sun. In the cool breath of winter, the Gulf surrenders its warmth. The gentle manatees come into these canals to play.
That woman, she got a hold on me. She's the warmth of the summer, the color of spring. She's the strongest wind, the calmest breeze. That woman, she got a hold on me.
This is a perfect time to tell you about All Trails app. So what I'm doing now is checking my app. I have over 450,000 trails on the app, including kayaking trails. So that helps me stay on point and make sure that I don't get lost. If you click my link in the description, that'll help me spend more time outside, and you can get set up with a pretty cool app.
Now drink till my heart is full. Honey, you drink me and I drink you. You're the kind of love I'm running to. Got a hold on me, got a hold on you. Got a hold on me, well, yes you do. That woman, she got a hold on me. She's a mighty river, mountain, stream. From Oklahoma to Tennessee. That woman, she got a hold on me. That girl's a drink unto my soul. Wants an empty cup now overflow. She's a dry champagne, sweet Merlot. That girl's a drink unto my soul. That girl's a drink unto my soul. Now drink until my heart is full. Honey, you drink me and I drink you. You're the kind of love I'm running to. Got a hold on me, got a hold on you. Now drink until my heart is full. Honey, you drink me and I drink you. You're the kind of Got a hold on me, got a hold on you. Got a hold on me, got a hold on you. Got a hold on me, yes you do. Got a hold on me, yes you do. Yes you do.
Hey, what's up? We are on our way to Manasota Key. So apparently there are a bunch of shark's teeth in this beach. Also some Megalodon teeth. I like to call them Megatron, but Megalodon teeth. But yeah, we're gonna just do some snorkeling and try to see what kind of shark teeth we can find, shells, and whatnot. Yeah, we'll bring you along.
Manasota Key is a place where deep time and modern leisure coexist. A shoreline where ancient history lies just beneath the waves. Its most profound secret was unveiled in 2016 when an ancient Native American burial ground was discovered just a few miles offshore. A 7,000-year-old sanctuary preserved for millennia beneath the rising tides. This remarkable discovery is known as Manasota Key offshore. It offers a rare glimpse into the prehistoric world, frozen in time since the last ice age. Well, the water was too murky to find any shark's teeth, but we did get this awesome glimpse of a beautiful sunset. Thank you for watching.